to the city.
Hello everybody. This is what we're going to do. I am going to make a sculpture of an Indian ringneck parrot. The ones I was trying to draw were just flat, and I found out the reason was because I was looking at the wrong pictures. They were ringneck parrots, but whoever drew them or painted them was, there's nothing wrong with it, but they probably weren't, I don't know. Or I just didn't look at them that closely. But they aren't more, their colors are generally all one color, although they vary between birds. But there's more to them than just, well, than what we saw. If you can you see that? Yeah, now that's got more detail to it. 370 plus Indian ringneck parrots, stock photos, pictures, and royalty free. Okay, I've got the hole in this one. I'm just gonna leave it like, you don't have to do that. I want you to stay where I put you. You think it really listens to me? By the way, guys, we are getting very close to the 10,000 mark. So what I'm going to do right now, for this part of the process, I'm going to go bake this. It won't take very long, and I'll come back and we'll start finishing it off with this, and then we'll bake that. Okay. I'm going to completely cover this head. To make sure that it's all covered. But there will be other things to it. That didn't stay, well, I didn't glue it in there, did I? The thing I like about working with clay like this is I can smooth it out. Okay, I'm trying to make the top beak first. And okay, this part here, I'm going to leave it flat so it'll fit against the other. And then I'm going to curve this. If you can see that, it's curved just a little. Yeah. A little bit like half of a cashew. All right, let's see. Guess I'll put that right here. That's the top part of the beak. These guys have beaks that are for cracking things open, like nuts and stuff, and berries if they choose. They're kind of big, but they've got a this one's a little, there we go. That should work pretty good for a beak. Kind of a almost invisible lash, or a very thin one that comes down over their eye when there's, stuff, because when you look at them, you don't really see a lid. I don't know. It must be. It's just the way the parrot was designed. Was designed to have that almost invisible to us, I guess. Anyway, now for the body. may be able to spin their heads in real life, but I don't want him doing it on here. Or anybody helping him do it. That's the biggest problem. Alright. Joe's trying to wake his leg up again. He's got sciatica. Trying to drum out a tune. Okay. Can you come in here a minute, please?
Oh, you want a cracker or what?
Well, not a cracker, but he should sure use a bit of advice, or at least I could.
Advice.
He wants a cracker. Now, how much of this do you need sticking out?
Sticking out?
In order to mount him on here, in here. Is that enough? Of
I suppose.
I mean, I can cut it back a little more. If you need me to, so you can put him in deeper.
Well, I don't know how much you got sticking out.
Well,
Let me see.
Hold on.
And he's one leg's longer than the other one.
Well, they weren't until I started messing there. One's probably pushed up more than the other. Which one's longer? This one?
Yeah.
See, before it was different, so.
But no, if you got that much wire sticking out, that'd
You
be
think
fine.
that'll work? Okay.
I think so.
Okay. I was trying to make their drumsticks.
I can glue it too, as far as I'll probably glue
Well, yeah, we'll glue it too, I think. We think we'll glue it too. By the way, he's here.
Hey!
Okay, Mr. Goofball. Thank you.
Oh, you want a cracker?
Not yet. His mouth's going to be permanently closed. I don't think there's much he can do with a cracker.
Nah, I think that'd be enough.
Okay, thank you.
I think. We can only hope.
This is true. The legs look a little weird, but I don't think they probably look any weirder than chicken legs. Okay, this is him. And like I said, there. He grew. Well, I've made a bird. Another one. And we will work on him again tomorrow, but tomorrow will be the fun part. We'll be painting. So, you know, when I first came out with the thing, it looked like what I said was a clothespin. I thought, wow, what's this going to end up? Can I really do this? But yeah, we did. I love you. Smile and wave, there's yours. We will see you tomorrow and we'll paint that bird. And I may have opened his mouth a bit, but I don't think we'll give him any crackers. So, you have a good night. Sleep tight.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the candle